Okay, how are we all doing? Just a quick little video here. Actually got these coins about a week ago and thought I'd do a video on it. I haven't seen too many reviews on it. We've got the Egyptian series, which I have not collected, so I've only got two of them. But this was the cat coin, and boy, I'm terrible. I didn't write down the name of that god, but and I don't remember the name of this one either. So we're just gonna look at the designs. Yeah, it's that cat goddess. Pretty cool. Kind of like it actually. This series, they do have a pretty nice high relief, and as far as I know, they're made by or minted by Silvertown. They've done a pretty good job, I think. 2-ounce 999 fine AG, complete with the hieroglyphics that probably say stuff. Let's take it out real quick, and then we'll keep this video pretty short. See if I can get it out. And yes, I'll put on a cotton glove just to keep it all nice and pristine for that resale value. These were originally started through Provident Precious Metals, but they got acquired by JM Bullion, who got acquired by A-Mark. And yeah, look at that, nice chunky 2-ounce. Really great quality. I mean, I haven't seen any milk spotting or anything. Good job, Silvertown, and really goes to show. I mean, and these are cheap, mind you. These they were available at some of the cheapest prices in terms of bullion or coins. But look at that quality, amazing quality. And then you have huge names. Sometimes, you know, the British Royal Mint, or occasionally like Phil the Vienna Royal Austrian, whatever they call it, the Austrian Mint, as well as the South African Mint. They screw up quite a lot in terms of milk spotting, scratches, damage, and yet you just get a private mint and they're all cranking out perfectly made coins. I don't know why these big, and even the Perth Mint, I mean, certain coins like the Lunars and Kooks, those are usually perfect. But you do see issues on some of the kangaroos, milk spotting. I mean, why can't they just find a process to avoid that? Come on. But yeah, pretty good. This was the last one we had. Some god, I don't know. This one had the mummy on it, which is pretty cool. I wish I had the older designs. There was like, I don't know, there was a bunch. Anubis. That's probably not his name. Some of those gods on the bottom, I think. The dog. Ooh, the falcon guy. Did the falcon guy come out yet? I don't know what god that is. Anyways, yeah, this is a pretty cool one. Doesn't have the year on it, but yeah, they're nice. Personally, I prefer 1-ounce coins, 1-ounce rounds. 2-ounce are a little much, a little heavy. Yeah, they don't do it for me. It's not like a transactional kind of money. I think the biggest coins you'd really want to use would be like a 1-ounce silver dollar size coin. So these are, a nice novelty, but I think 1-ounce is a better size. Anyways, I'll leave it there. Believe it or not, I do have some other orders in, so if you like these, if you're collecting these Egyptian coins, leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe. Be having some more content. I did order the new American Silver Eagle reverse proofs. Hopefully those ship out someday. That'd be nice. And I did get a lot of the Morgan And peace dollars, I'll have those coming out. Hopefully those ship out in October if we get a little bit of luck. And I've got some other goodies on the way. So tough day in the silver market. Touch on that real quick. We got hammered down. Even though the DXY, the dollar was down 40 basis points, screw it, just sell off a ton of silver and gold for no apparent reason, even though they said they weren't tapering till next year. You gotta love the market manipulation, but hey, you know what? It's always darkest before the dawn. I'll keep stacking, and we're gonna be right one of these days, hopefully sooner rather than later. See you soon.